Careful, Kyle. You're nearly touching that with your jacket, dude.
Hello everyone.
What's on the back of your jacket? Say
YouTube video.
Stand up.
And we're messing about with the fire.
Keep still.
Well, I wanted to go live, but we couldn't. So today is bonfire night, Guy Fawkes, and we're doing some fireworks.
And so is everybody else.
We've done a couple of fireworks, but those are small ones. One are called big ones.
Before we run out of food, I think.
Big wood. We're cooking some sausages in a barbecue. There's a fire keeping us nice and warm. And we're doing lots of, fireworks, obviously. We've got a couple, we've got 25 fireworks, I think. £35 to get all of them.
Okay, you ready?
Yes. Okay, first firework for YouTube. There's so many orbs going by. Yeah. Like dust and stuff.
There's a lot of dust.
Go on, Dad.
Okay, let's see how loud this
Go on, Dad.
I'm worried for my safety.
Oh.
That didn't go too well, did it?
I can record. Is that it? Wow. We're starting off with some different fireworks.
That didn't go very well, did it?
We've got a stash of fireworks in there and a old washing machine, obviously. Who doesn't have that in their shed? Who doesn't have an old washing machine in their shed? And, well, let's just wait till our next firework. We'll just keep warm at this fire. I kind of like scissors. We're burning stuff, chucking wood in the fire.
A little bit longer, I want to make sure they're done.
Yeah, don't flip food poisoning. I'll just get in a stick then to put in the fire. So
yeah, stick it in, mate. Just don't breathe the fumes in.
Yeah.
You know.
I'm going to be fishing for.
That completely missed.
I completely.
YouTube. I'm going to be fishing. This is my bait right there.
He's going to go fishing in some fire.
Fishing for fire.
Need to get a bit more wood on there, kid.
Yeah, let's fish for some fire. This is pointless video, you know. Just chilling around.
One more of these long ones.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
And then it's 3 boxes.
Yeah.
And then what's in there? Which is the 2 big ones and the 8 rockets.
Ooh, there's gonna be some good fireworks
shall we
next.
have a check of the sausages when we do this one, see if they're ready?
Yeah.
Get back to
Oh!
Kyle,
I think he's caught one.
You're going to burn yourself.
He's caught
In
one.
the fire.
Throw it back in the fire.
I'm going to throw you in the fire in a minute.
He's caught one.
I'm going to burn you, Sendu.
I couldn't record that really, but that was quick. Good firework over there. If I lean forward a little bit,
Wonder if someone
good.
watched our video and then that's their house. I remember, like, thanks for saying.
Got some wood in the
Yeah,
fire.
get Kyle on film burning Sendu in it.
It's another one.
Why is there so many?
Yeah, people are doing fireworks.
Guys, where did the ball go? Oh, Timmy.
Kyle, we need to get some more wood.
Throw that in there.
I didn't record that one. Oh, oh yeah. Standing up.
Right, be careful.
That's actually what I want to do. Just kidding.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yep, Dad. We're getting the fire back up. Some toasty sausages in here. We've got an array. Let me go over here. We've got from sticks to put marshmallows on to toast in the fire. I didn't realise my light was on. What was that? Mist just went by.
Oh, that was perfect.
So,
everyone on YouTube, you've got to say that was the perfect shot.
fire's getting up. We've got some sausages.
Oh, I didn't know you was there.
We've got hot dog, buns, burgers.
YouTube, watch this.
Hold on.
Watch this, YouTube.
Need to be quick.
This one's gonna be good.
Gotta be quick. Ah! Oh, sizzling.
Yeah, I see that.
No, that's it, wait.
Oh no.
I hurt myself. Wah! 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 Oh, I hurt myself when I was sitting down. Sorry, everyone. Just okay.
Whoa, that was weird.
There was a firework while I was doing stuff.
Okay, let's have a look at these. Right, don't touch that down.
Obviously.
You nearly cut your fingers on that then. That'd be really hot.
So we've got burgers,
Burn your fingers off.
marshmallows, hot dog rolls, you know, to put the
How do you know if the
sausages in.
sausage is ready?
Don't know.
Me neither.
Burgers, you know. Sauces,
This sounds
chocolate milk, coffee,
Oh, that's hot.
thick gloves, plates.
I'm going to cut one in half, I think.
Oh, this is amazing.
Let's just chop one in half. Did I bring a knife out?
Sorry, guys.
Did I
Oh,
bring a knife out?
nope.
Just sharp knife top of it, mate.
Need light? Look. That kind of looks good. That kind of looks... More fireworks going off there. Cut that, baby.
We're done.
Near done.
That's done.
Near done. So done.
That is good.
That's done, isn't it, Kyle? We're going to eat some sausages.
Are you ready for a bit for sausage?
Yeah.
Just killed that last remaining sunflower.
Hmm.
Kyle. That's the last remaining
Okay,
sunflower.
so
Did
Dad-
you say that is?
Well, we're probably going to eat some sausage. I don't know if I'm going to record because
Right.
I hate...
Right, come on then.
What?
Who's first?
Don't know. Kaya could go first.
I'm going to get your sausage, mate. Come on.
I'm just going to sit here,
Whoa!
enjoy some big
flame.
flames.
Dad, look at that.
I've got
good job.
fireworks sizzling everywhere, but I can't see them. So I'm not going to record them because I can't see them.
Oh, no, these are cool.
It is so warm here, you know.
Where's your plate, Carlo?
Here's so many bangs around.
One of these.
This is probably going to be a boring video, so you could just skip to the fireworks. But for now, I'm just going to
You can
record
skip
this.
to the fireworks if you want to.
We're just burning stuff now. Of course, you know, it's dangerous, but fun.
It's just it.
Right, Kyle, this is going to be hot, dude.
Hot dog!
We got some hot
Sauce,
dog.
hot brown sauce.
Ah. I'm going to cut it a bit, you know.
Right, I want to take your gloves off to eat, dude.
I just want to wait until it cools down.
Yeah. I've cut the YouTube.
This is amazing.
Cut
Oh, how did I do
Oh, that was so good. I wish I got that camera. Wait,
that? I'm gonna smack it.
wait. Uh-oh. It isn't cut. It isn't cut, everyone. Oh, crap. Oh. This is our bonfire night. Do you know what? I'm going to stop it now, and then we could do a second video. Part 2. Right after we've ate some stuff. Okay. You ready? See you in part 2.